What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I am super excited because we're gonna be doing my Sephora VIB sale haul. I have a bunch of bags here. I actually also put in an online order. I don't know if this is just a me thing, but I feel like when I order stuff online, I'm actually a better shopper. Like instead of when I'm in store, I see things and I'm like, ooh, like, and just grabbing everything. So I was like, I'm only gonna shop the sale online, put in the online order. And then of course I ended up at Sephora anyways, buying stuff in store. But anyways, we got a lot of good stuff. I'm really excited. So without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and jump on into the haul. Make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I have so many bags. I'm like, I don't know where to start. First, I'm gonna just start with this because I thought this was so cute. So this is from Charlotte Tilbury and this is one of her little holiday sets. That's always one of my favorite things to get during the sale is the holiday sets. Most times I try and get them as gifts for other people, which some of these I'll tell you guys when they're gifts for others versus gifts for myself. This one was a gift for myself, but it's called Charlotte Tilbury's Dream Superstar Glow Kit. So you basically get one of her blushes and then also a highlight. These little beauty light ones are literally always sold out. So I thought getting them this kit was really nice. Let me find my receipt. Don't remember how much this was. It was $32 for the set and then I got 20% off. So I thought it was really cute and they're still like decent size. Let's open it up and see. But I feel like these last for a long time. Oh yeah, they're still like decent size. They're about half, I would say, of the full size. That's what they look like. So you just get the little blush and the highlight. So I'm really, really excited about this. And I feel like this would make a really nice gift as well. And this one I did get in store, but I'm sure they have it on their website as well. So as always, I will link everything down below in my description box where you guys can get all of the stuff that I got. Okay, up next, this one is a gift. I've talked to you guys about this before. I actually purchased this for myself already before the sale. When I did my VIB recommendations video, I actually got this during that, but this is a Grande First Class Beauty gift set. So I ended up getting this for my mom as well for Christmas. My mom, like me, maybe it's genetic, but we both have short and stubby lashes naturally, but the Grande lash serum has been really nice for my lashes. So I grabbed this set for her as a Christmas gift. You get a full size of the Grande lash serum, a mini size, a Grande brow, which is like a brow growth serum, and then the Grande liner, which is a liquid liner that has a little bit of lash enhancing serum in it. So this is what the little set looks like. So I went ahead and picked that up as a little gift, not actually something for myself for once, you know? Speaking of Charlotte Tilbury, I'm like trying to dig to find it so I can show you guys. I did end up somehow locating this one I got online, the Hollywood Contour one. So I have had this before. This is her cream bronzer. So I've tried this before. This is the one that like everyone is obsessed with, but I could never find it in the shade Fair Medium, which is really the shade that I needed. It's always sold out like literally everywhere. So I was able to get the medium dark, which does work, but it definitely takes a little bit more blending. It's a little too deep for my skin tone, especially as we move into the winter. So I was actually able to get this. It was in stock on Sephora. I was like, oh my God. So I literally got it immediately. So I'm really, really excited to try this out. I think the shade will be a lot better for me. And I'm really eager to see how it works because everybody seems to absolutely love these from her. So definitely really, really excited about that. Also grabbed this new product from Refy. So Refy, I really love their brow gel. That's the only other product that I've ever tried from them and I love it. But there's this girl that I follow on TikTok. Her name is Kensington. I think her TikTok name is like Ken's Nation. She's so beautiful and I just like buy all the stuff that she uses and she's been using this in her videos and I was always like, what is that? It's a face primer and it's called Glow and Sculpt from Refy. So I was like, okay, I really like their brow gel. Let's see what this is all about. So let me open this up. This is also something that I got online because they don't have Refy in my Sephora store, but this is what it looks like. And it's like a little roller and you like roll it on your face. So it almost looks like it's like a hybrid of like a primer and then also like an ice roller because I love to use ice rollers. So I was like, okay, I need to try it. So I'm definitely gonna use this in like an upcoming TikTok, maybe buy it sort of video. And we are gonna see like how this works and if it's good. I'm really, really excited because I feel like it's really cool and I've never had a primer that like applies like a roller like that. So really eager to try it. And this is a newer brand to Sephora, but like I said, their brow gel I really like. They don't have too many products just yet, but I'm excited to give this a try and see how it works. And speaking of brow gel, I also really love the Makeup by Mario Master Hold Brow Gel. So I went ahead and picked up a backup of this. This one is really nice because it's actually like a clear brow gel where so many clear brow gels don't end up actually being clear and they kind of give your eyebrows like this weird grayish, whitish kind of look, where this one is like truly clear, just a little spoolie. You go in and spoolie your brows with it. So I really, really like this one and holds my brows really well throughout the day. So I went ahead and grabbed a backup of this. Okay, up next we have two products from Patrick Ta. I'm so excited about these. I got their eyeshadow palette and their blush palette. So I actually got the opportunity to partner with Patrick Ta, which I was so humbled by. I was like, thank you so much for thinking of me. So shout out to them. And they sent me some of their products, these two being some of them, and I am obsessed last. So I went ahead and purchased these for my best friend for Christmas. So hopefully she's not watching. I don't think she really watches many of my YouTube videos because I give her my recommendations in real life, you know? So hopefully not, but sorry about that. My camera died on me, but I'm back. So first is the Major Headlines blush palette, and this one is volume 2. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh, so I'm obviously not gonna swatch it because it is a gift, but I have my own and it's stunning. What I love is the top 3, you get all cream shadows. In the bottom 3, you have powder blushes. If you guys watch my videos, you know I typically use cream blushes and then I'll set it with a powder blush. So this is literally perfect. And then also the Patrick Ta Major Dimension palette. This, if you're a neutrals girl like me, you're gonna love it, okay? Absolutely beautiful palette, like, oh my goodness. So like I said, really nice gift idea or little gift that you might consider adding to your wish list because they're so pretty. Okay, up next, I got a backup of my K18 Leave-In Molecular Hair Mask. So this is a really cool hair mask. It's very similar, I would say, to Olaplex, but the way you use it is differently. So with this, you wanna shampoo your hair, then you apply this to your hair. You don't condition, so you just shampoo your hair in the shower, don't condition your hair, get out, towel dry off your hair, then you apply this. You wanna let it sit on your hair for like 4 minutes so it can activate before you go and do anything else to your hair. And then you can just go on throughout your hair routine, add your other products, dry your hair, style it, whatever you wanna do. So it's like a leave-in mask kind of. And I don't use this that frequently. I'll use it like once every 2 weeks or so. And when I do use it consistently, I definitely see my hair is a lot softer, less tangly, looks shinier, and is really nice. So I went ahead and grabbed another one of these and I really like it. Okay, up next, I grabbed a YSL lippy. I was feeling bougie, I guess. Well, actually, I'll show the first YSL product first. So every year during the sale, pretty much, I always get a backup of my YSL Black Opium, although I've actually really been liking, it's the YSL Libre Intense. That perfume is really nice and it's a different scent than I normally go for, but it smells incredible. I've been wearing that a lot actually. I feel like it's really nice for like the colder months, like a warm scent kind of. But the YSL Black Opium is like my go-to signature scent. I would say it's definitely like my most worn perfume. So pretty much every year during the sale, I pick up one of these because it's not a cheap perfume, but if I can get it on sale, then I might as well grab it. So I got a YSL Black Opium. If you like sweet scents, you will love this. It's like sweet but sophisticated. Like if you wore like Pink Sugar, that Aquilina perfume, which I did like in like middle school, that's like your grown-up scent, I'm telling you. The people that know if you like sweet scents. But anyway, so I got that and then I was just looking at other YSL things and I ended up getting this oil in stick. So this is the Rouge Volupte Shine. It's a lipstick. They always have like these fancy names. The YSL lipsticks are so beautiful, but I thought for the holidays, this would be a really, really nice color. It's like a beautiful, deeper red shade and it's super, super creamy and just so pretty. So I just had to spoil myself a little bit and get this. I don't have too many YSL lipsticks, but they're absolutely stunning. Like this is just like a decor piece in and of itself sitting on your little makeup vanity, so had to grab it. And I'm so excited to wear it during the holidays. I love like a good classic red. Okay, I also got another lipstick. This is a nude. This looked really, really pretty. I haven't tried any of the Makeup by Mario Ultra Suede lipsticks. So these are matte, but they're supposed to be really nice on the lips and like not drying or anything. So I swatched a few of them and I ended up going in with the shade Erin, or getting the shade Erin. So this is what the packaging looks like and that is the color. This looks like a color that I would really like. Swatch it so I can show you guys. Ooh yeah, this is so pretty. Love it. I love like a good like mauve-y, nude, pink sort of shade. So I went ahead and grabbed this because I hadn't tried any of them and I want to give them a try, see how the formula is. And I figured this would be a really good like everyday sort of color for me that I would get a lot of use out of. So I grabbed that. Oh, I also forgot I have another YSL product. Wow, I was really going all out. But again, I don't have too many of their products, but their makeup products are really nice. And this foundation has blown me away. This is the All Hours foundation. So this I believe was out previously, like years ago. I never tried it initially, but then they reformulated it and brought it back out and this is the new formula and I love it. It's so good. I've already used this, but the shade that I have is a little bit dark and I know as we move into like the winter months where I literally never see the sun, I know that it's gonna be too dark. So I picked it up in a lighter shade so that I could use it throughout the winter. It is a pricier foundation, but it really looks beautiful on the skin. It's full coverage, blurs out the skin, smooths it really well, but is not drying at all. Feels super lightweight, still looks natural on the skin, just really, really pretty. It does have SPF in it too, wears really nicely. So has recently been a new favorite of mine. So I figured I might as well get it while it's on sale and stock up. Oh, okay, I think I only have skincare products left. So I grabbed another one of the Skin Fix Acne Plus 2% BHA cleansers. I've been using this most nights as my cleanser and I really like it because a lot of acne fighting like cleansers can be so drying to the skin. And my problem is that I have acne prone skin, but dry skin. So I need acne fighting cleansers that aren't gonna just dry the crap out of my skin. And this is one of them. It really does work really nicely. I feel like it has helped with my acne a lot, but doesn't dry my skin out, which I do really like. So I grabbed a backup of this. I've already gone through like, I think 3 bottles of that. That's my one gripe with it, is I feel like it goes by really quickly. I don't know, what is it's 5 fluid ounces, which I feel like is normal. I probably just use too much of it. I'm a big like over squirter of products. You know that if you watch my channel, when I use foundation, concealer, anything, I use a lot of products always. And like even with my hair products, I fly through them because I use so much shampoo and conditioner. I need to use less, but that's a story for another day. I got that, and then I got 2 other serums. So one I know and I love, one is a new one that I haven't tried yet. So the one that I know and love is this one from Caudalie. This is the Resveratrol Lift Serum. So it's basically like a firming serum for the skin. It has hyaluronic acid in it too though, and honestly, I like it because I feel like it's hydrating to my skin. It makes my skin look like, I don't know necessarily firm is the right word, but just like tighter, like better in general. I guess firm, yeah, I could say, I could see it being that, but I really like this. It's a nice serum, doesn't make me break out. So I went ahead and got another one of these, and it does have vegan collagen, hyaluronic acid, and then the resveratrol, which hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, in it, and it is oil-free. And then last but not least, this is a new product. This is from Merit. This is the Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. So the lady at Sephora actually sold me on this. I told her that I have like dry skin and stuff, and she's like, oh, you gotta try it. I think this is new from them. So it's supposed to really hydrate and plump the skin, and this is what it looks like. Oh wow, this is not what I expected it to look like. It's like a really dark, oh, it says shake well, massage 2 to 3 pumps into skin before or after moisturizer in the morning or twice a day. So yeah, it's basically just like a glow serum. Beautiful bottle. Love the cap and everything. So I'm really, really excited to use this. It looks like it's very like liquidy and lightweight, so it should hopefully like soak into the skin really quick. So a nice little morning serum to add to my routine. It says in the box here, it's supposed to leave your skin calmer, brighter, and more even over time, which sounds amazing to me. And I've actually really been liking Merit's products. They're a newer brand to Sephora, but they have like a lot of really nice high quality products. So I figured might as well try a little skincare product from them. So that is everything, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh wait, okay, wait, I lied. That was not the last product. I forgot about this little guy in the bottom here. So this is from Kaja. I really love, Kaja makes those cheek stamps that have like the little hearts. They're cream blushes and they're beautiful. I really like those. And I've been using them a lot recently. So I saw this. This is the Play Bento Blendable Sculpting Trio. So I was like, I thought this was really cute. And I figured it would be really good for travel too. It's basically like this little thing. This looks like makeup that I had like when I was a kid, but Kaja's stuff is like actually good quality. Let me open this. But you basically get a blush, highlight, and bronzer all in one with this. So on top you get the blush, and then if you open it up, underneath you have a highlight. Paper's flying out everywhere, and then on the bottom you have a bronzer, and this is a cream bronzer too. So I was like, okay, wait, that's actually really cute, and I feel like this would be perfect for travel or if you just wanted to throw it in your purse because it is so small, but you literally have blush, highlight, and bronzer all in there if you need to do touch-ups. So I thought this was really, really cute, so I went ahead and grabbed that as well. And that is everything, you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know down below what you guys picked up during the sale. If you picked anything up, I would love to hear. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.